Good morning, everybody. This is your old buddy Wade Squatchmann. It's Wednesday morning, and it's windy out here. It's rainy. It's thick, and I thought I'd come out here to make a new video of what's going on. Man, the wind is really blowing out here, and hopefully we're going to get some recorded sounds of something really cool. You hear that? You see that tree leaning up against that tree right there? It's making some noise. You hear it? It's rubbing. It's awesome. And as I come out here, I notice there's a whole bunch of new wood laying out here in different positions back in here. But we're back here in my woods. Man, do you hear that? Isn't that amazing? Can you see the wind blowing? That's amazing. Okay, let's walk up to the stick structure nest in my woods behind my garage. Man, that sounds so amazing. Look at that. It's just leaning up there like that. I hope y'all can hear that. It is so cool. Man, that thing sounds like it's gonna come crashing down soon, but it's dark back here today. It's raining, like I said. And eventually, I'm gonna go that way. I got some new boots to walk through the tall greenery and some bug spray and all kinds of stuff. So in the next day or two, that thing is still making noise. And the next day or two, I'm gonna have to come back here and check things out, because at night I'm hearing a lot of activity. They're moving around, but right now, today, just wanted to come back here and videotape, see if anything's looking in this greenery, wet, wind-blowing amazement. It's dark. It's dark under here. It's very, very green. So just wanted to make an update video, see what's going on, give you all something to watch, get back started to making more videos. This is a cool place to come to. There's a little bird on the branch right there. I don't know if y'all can see him moving. He just flew up there, but man, I bet this place is loaded with chiggers. It's damp, it's wet. The wind's blowing though. It's really cool out here today. There's no heat. Goes up, goes down, snap, crackle, pop. But I believe, if you ask me, my theory is they're coming from that way where they bulldozed a couple weeks ago, and they're working their way all towards here. So let's go down here, just maneuver around. Isn't that amazing sounding? That tree rubbing against the tree. Let's go look at that again. Hopefully it'll make some more noise. This sounds very heavy, but it's right there, and it's leaned on that. Pretty awesome. So let's just walk. That really sounds cool. You can see in the... You hear that, y'all? Ain't that cool? I just thought it'd be cool to check that out. Something new. I got my awesome coffee mug with me today. Look at that, y'all. There's a cool. I hope that picture for YouTube comes out of that coffee mug. It's still got coffee in it. So I'm gonna pick it up. We have it in the background right there. So let's take a little walk. Got my coffee in my hand. There's the back of my garage. We're gonna walk down here to the fire pit. We just came from up there and I hear crows in the background. But it is really awesome out here today. I love a day like this. Windy, rainy, nice and cool. No mosquitoes. And there's that tree from this side. It's making all that noise, rubbing up against that one tree. So we're just gonna go down here, and eventually I'm gonna go down there and go to the right, because I believe they're all headed right towards where the thickness is. All right, y'all. Let me set my coffee cup down. If you hear that noise in the background, that's that tree rubbing against that one tree. That sounds so cool. All right, y'all, let's just pan around a little bit and see if anything's in the thickness here. Watching. As you can see, it's thick. Another big tree back up in there. Yeah, eventually, probably tomorrow, the next day, I'm gonna work my way down there and walk along that thickness over in there. Let me show y'all something that's been here for a long time. Goes up, goes down, snap, crackle, pop right there. Man, it is dark back up in here. All right. Let's work our way down. There's my fire pit. Let me show you what my next destiny is, where I'm gonna go. I'm probably gonna, the back of my fence is right down in there. I'm gonna work my way through down in there, straight ahead, because it's so thick back in here. I'm gonna work my way that way. Might have to make 2 videos this morning. But back in there, there's a lot of activity at night. They're headed all straight back up in there. There, here we go. This is what I'm gonna do. Through this way right down through in there. There's the corner of my house right down in there, my fence. I'm gonna work my way through this and just start walking in the next day or 2. It's thick back in here though. It's green, probably at the peak. Yeah, they've been setting stuff up here, and that little broken branch right there. There's a big dirt clump right in there. Absolutely amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to call it a day right now for now. I'll be back in the next day or two to make a couple videos. We're just going to walk along the greenery, see if anything's looking. Maybe we can sneak up on them. Yeah, like that's going to happen. They know what's going on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, keep on squatching, keep on rocking in the free world. I got to head back over and get my coffee. I'll talk to y'all on the next one. I like how they set stuff up there. That's pretty awesome. So, all right, y'all. Whoa. Y'all, I hope y'all saw that. Something fell out of that tree right there. Daggone it. Like something was dropped. You see anything in the tree shimmering? That's pretty awesome. Fell right down there. All right, y'all. Keep on having a good day, y'all. We are out.